Hi there everyone, today I am going to show you the step-by-step process on how to download and install Zoom app in your PC, computer or your laptop. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's open up the Google and actually you can just type Zoom app if you want. Let's try. Zoom and then application. Then Zoom app. Notice, upon typing Zoom app, Google will give us already the options like this one. It's this one. Zoom app download, Zoom application download, and you can use this two here. But I, for one, personally, I suggest that you or we should use zoom.us slash download. Zoom.us slash download. For laptop, it could be download only. It could be. So this is what we are going to use now to be sure. Okay, let's type zoom and then .us. Okay, upon typing zoom.us, do not forget slash. And notice, upon typing slash, Google will already give us options. Zoom.us slash download or zoom.us slash download for laptop. Even if you will not complete typing there, you can use any of the two below. But I, for one, I prefer the second. Okay, there we go. Whatever you choose, it will bring us here. And this is what we need. Download for Windows. Let us click this one. Okay. Upon clicking, this is what we will see. We're now downloading Zoom. And it is seen on the lower leftmost corner. It says here, Zoom installer parenthesis 2.exe. It is 2 because I already have mine. Usually it is Zoom installer parenthesis 1.exe or just Zoom installer.exe. They're just okay. You can use any. You can install any. But this one, it is 2. Okay, that's it. Now, upon downloading, you will see the arrow up button. You click that. Do not click open. You click show in folder. Okay, upon clicking show in folder, you will see this. Okay, we have 3 options here because I already downloaded mine. So we need to use Zoom installer 2. There you go. Upon clicking, you click run as administrator. Then let us click run as administrator. Okay, that's it. And upon clicking run as administrator, it will automatically install to our PC. And it will take seconds or minutes depending on the signal. Okay, that's it. Upon installing, this is what you will see. And you are finished. You are in. You can join the meeting now. Zoom is already installed. You only wait for the link that your teacher or your boss or whoever will give you through Messenger, Facebook, Gmail. You're in. So thank you so much. I hope I help you. If I help you, please consider clicking that subscribe button for more videos. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.